Assalamu alaikum. If you are interested to analyze your data using AI powered application, for this purpose we have already demonstrated and learned one of the AI powered application, PowerDrill. In PowerDrill we upload our dataset and then we can chat with the dataset and we can extract the information from the dataset and analyze them and visualize them in uh, proper format, and we can use those visualization in our research papers and research reports. One of the feature of this Power Drill application is that it creates data facts, and data facts are actually the descriptive statistics uh, generated based on the AI out of the data set that we uploaded. For example, I have uploaded this one data set. This is diabetes data set, and if we see uh, this data set in detail, uh, we can preview its data. That this is 100% data of the diabetes type 1 and type 2 based on their lipid profiles, demographics, and physical activity recommendation. And if we want to analyze this data set using artificial intelligence based application, then this Power Drill app can help us in this regard. So how we can do it? We can go and so now I go to this data facts here, data inside data exploration and data facts. So in data facts we have to upload the data set, and we already uploaded that, but I'm going to repeat it and upload this data set. Once this data set is get uploaded, so I uploaded the data set and it was already uploaded, and I ask it that use the already uploaded data set. So you can see that it's now generating the data facts and diabetes dataset. It tell us about the what is this dataset about, and it answer these questions. What are the distribution of the activity? Is there any significant difference between ABS in male and female? Mean value of TCTG lipid profile, and similarly all these kind of questions uh, are critically analyzed and the facts is going to be generated. Now the fact is now generated. Diabetes dataset analysis report, a complete report is generated, and we can see it, we can analyze it, and we can use it. It's now near to completion, and the report is now ready. We can download this report as a PDF or as a Word format. For example, I'm going to download this report, and apart from the download, I can see that this report, a beautifully designed report, is generated for this dataset with all the visuals. We can see it. So once the download is completed, we can check it, and now this complete report is available with us. So this AI powered application has critically analyzed this dataset and have generated a detailed technical report describing all the feature, the relationship between the feature and their visual representation.